All right, welcome class. So today we're talking about sentence structure. The most basic sentence needs a subject and a verb, okay? Also known as a noun and a predicate. In order to have a complete sentence, the verb must be what they call a finite verb, such as the ones you're seeing. Now let me first give you the definition of that, and then I'll read the examples. So a finite verb is always just one word. Usually it will be a standard verb in the present tense, such as plays or eats, the past tense, such as played or ate, and then a verb or an auxiliary verb, which is a linking verb in the present or past tense, namely words such as am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, does, or did. So those words, auxiliary verbs, which are linking verbs, they also fall under the category of finite verbs as well. So here we go. You got I am. That is a complete thought because am is a finite verb. It is. That's a finite verb. You've got your subject, which is it, and your finite verb is. She lies. This is a finite verb. They go. He is. They wait. She goes. Deborah drinks. Larry cooks. Tom studied. We were. Some more information. Finite verbs, they show tense, they show person, and number. So, for example, you can't say we am because we is more than one, and am don't match that. That's for one thing. Okay. Or it am. Okay, that's not showing number. It's showing tense though, and it's showing present tense. And it's showing person, which means it matches the subject. It is. Okay. It am don't match the subject. That don't show person. Okay, so now, if you have any questions, guys, make sure you leave it in the comment section and I'll make a video about your question. All right, there are two main categories of verbs. You got action verbs. They talk about this, what the subject is doing. So that's pretty simple to understand. You got walk, talk, jump, cry, listen. Then you got linking verbs, them auxiliary ones we were talking about. They join the subject to other words or words of description. Adverbs, adjectives. So you got be, am, is, was, were, are. Then you got words like look, smell, touch, appear, taste, remain, turn, grow, right? So again, as you see, be, am, is, was, were, and are, they're also finite verbs as well. They serve both. Now this word, let me give you an example. So touch. He will touch the stove. All right, so the subject of the sentence is he. Touch is a verb, but it's a linking verb. It don't stand alone. He will touch. So touch what? The stove. Now, if you want to make touch finite, you would say he touches because it has to match and it has to be, the tense has to match. It's in present tense. And it's for one person. He touches. You wouldn't say they touches or he touch. You would say they touch or he touches in order for that to be a complete sentence. All right? You guys are intelligent human beings. I know you get that. And if not, that's what the comment section is for. Utilize it. That's about it, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to get into more detail about verbs, and we're going to break them down into subcategories. But in the meantime, I'll see you later.